And today I'm looking at the pomegranate plant. I see that some of the fruits already ripening, like those over there, like those up there. That one looks ready to me. See another one over here, like that one. Some more. Two other ones over there. Another one there. We are very productive. The fruit is delicious. It's always good to pick them early, because they break like that one. So the earlier you pick them up, the better. Because once it rains, they crack. There's my dog. When it rains, they crack open, and you don't want that. These are rooted cutting. That's a good thing about pomegranates, that the cuttings root very easily. This is the wonderful variety. Let's see if I find one. I believe this one's ready, so I'm gonna pick it. Or maybe that one also. I think the biggest one is that one right there. So I'm gonna have it. Here it is. It's huge. This is the payoff for taking care of the plants. They take care of you. Please subscribe to my channel if you like the video, and share it with your friends. Thank you.